got some news. Uh, got some news coming in a few minutes. Oh man, news coming in a few minutes. Let's see how it affects the market. So you got unemployment claims in the news. I think that's it. Unemployment claims. So you're gonna see how that actually affects the market in the next 2 minutes. Because from what I'm seeing, is going to be a little. Something. 14 and 15. You know what's going on. And this is how I'm able to tell what the news is going to do before it happens. Or not necessarily before it happens, but just rather not this is going to affect the market in a way that it's to drop. So right now I see that there's really bearish momentum in this candle. And then right now you see that candle came out, this news candle. I'm gonna highlight that candle too. That's the news candle. So this is the candle this is the news candle right here. 9 times out of 10, again because the market is bullish overall when it's on a USD JPY is bullish. It's really not going to stop, to be honest. Like it's. Let me go to the day chart. Aim to take out this high point here because this was the last high point. This was the last high point that it just did not take out. So like I said, I'm thinking that the news would either push it up further or bring it down. And it's going to be happening for the next 30 minutes. So let's see how it plays out. And I think I had somebody ask me why I go on the 30-minute chart. I look at the time that the news is happening. So news is happening at a 30-minute range. So I do go to the 30-minute chart to see what that 30-minute candle is doing. And then I'll play off of that candle most of the time. Either I do that or I wait until the 30-minute news is over, and then I wait and see how much I play it out. think I'm going to go to a smaller time frame to get some more insight. It's looking like liquidity right here. Like that one there. Where is but like liquidity was up here, and it grabbed that liquidity, and then so forth. Now I'm looking at this on a 5-minute chart, and I can tell that this is bullish. This is very bullish. On the 5-minute front time frame. So I think this is going to definitely skyrocket. Price point that I think this is going to skyrocket, and then it's probably not going to stop for a minute. Oh, man. Coffee in my life. I'm going to show you how I know where exactly this will hit to. I still have this hitting the 149 price point, 149.328. So on USD JPY, just keep a lookout for that. It is literally the price point that that first price point that I wanted this to hit, because this is the uptrend. And you can see here's our first impulsive wave, pullback, and it's definitely gonna go up to here. I'm gonna get like a little pullback, and then you'll get like another impulsive wave going up. So that's what I believe that this will do. So y'all just be looking to take buys on USD JPY. Just look to take buy positions. This is like this is gonna keep going. Right, it's gonna keep going. So just keep a lookout for it. And one of the best things about this is let's go to Euro USD. Actually, all right. So with your USD, I don't know if anybody took anything, but if you did, power to you, because like I said, this was gonna come into this yellow box, so you'd be only looking for sellers buying into this yellow box, and it did hit the 50% on the Fibonacci, and I got quick rejection. Now, if this continues to go further, we're gonna look to see this hit. We're gonna look to see this hit this 38%. Now, we want this to do. Let's actually put another box. Like put this right here. But yeah, so um, I said it like before, like one time, like when you look at the market and the market is having a correction, like one thing that you want to look out for is just like market coming into this red, into this fib, but the end of the fib. So the 23%, right? To actually make it a valid, or I mean, a really valid correctional pattern, and then you can kind of play off of that. Right now, I'm only really focused on in here. I'm only really focused in this yellow box particularly, and I want to look to see how price reacts into this box with some signs of reversal, and then I'll take uh, that trade for the buy, because again, whenever you do have a correction, I mean, I did put the arrow. I wanted price to hit this, see some form of rejection, and then see a reversal back up, and then so forth. So, but if we don't get that right, and we do see this going further, which 9 out of 10 it could potentially go further. We want to see this hit this price point here. We want to see wick rejection off of that, and then we want to see this start to pull back up. But right now, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Like the lowest price point I do see this coming to, I just put it like somewhere in this red box. So like, let's see. Actually, let's put it here. So 06507. 06507. That's like the lowest that this will come to. But still be looking for seller momentum on this. I can't stress that enough. I literally talked about this like from like last week, from last week, all the way. Let's just say from here, all the way down, about 160 pips. Somebody could have actually caught. I mean, I said this was going to come into the yellow box. It did that, but it is what it is. Just want to see. So this is your USD. This is what I want your USD to do, and then I'm actually going to mark this too. Mark this, let y'all know that this is what it is. All right, so your correction always goes to like rock bottom. So this is my lowest point here. So I'm gonna start from my lowest point, and then I'm gonna work my way up. So here is my lowest point here. Actually, this is my lowest point. Here is my pullback. Here's my third wave. Here's my fourth wave, and then here is my fifth wave. So I took out that high point. And then we got that high point, and now you're gonna see a correction, which now you can see that this is dropping into this yellow bar. So let's check this. Check the chart. What is that candle doing? So the news candle, which is what it's actually on now. Highlight that. Push it down to hit that 50% level on the Fibonacci. Yeah, this pushes down to hit that 50% level on the Fibonacci. Now I look at what kind of candle this is. This is a flat top, so 9 out of 10, we're going to still see some bearish momentum going down until it hits the bottom of the top. And we're just going to look at how this plays, how this reacts into this box. That's what I'm going to really do, and everything else. Let's take a look at take a look at gold. So yeah, gold is gonna drop pretty far down. This is just a heads up to anybody that like gold. This is gonna drop down to the 1840s, at least the 1840s. So let me go to the day chart. I'm gonna show you why. It's gonna drop to the 1840s. This is also in a correction. Actually, this is either a pullback, because I did. Yeah, this is also in a correction. This is also in a correction. So let me go like this. All right, so that's the trend. All right, let's get this. Let's get this trend base fit. Let's mark this. All right, so correction, valid correction. You want to see this drop into at least this red box, which is down here. However, sometimes with a day chart, let's see here. Sometimes on the day chart you don't get that, but it's okay. Most times you'll see it. Let's see something. Yeah, so into here, so this is not going to stop. This is not going to stop dropping for a while. And I don't really like. I'm not going to say I don't trade gold, because I do, but I don't really analyze gold right here. But this is what this is what you're gonna see. This is what you're gonna see. So what you're going to see. And one of the things that you can, let me go to that chart, see if that news candle looks like that. News candle is pulling it down. You have real photo on USD. So like, all you're doing, like, for the news, like all you're doing is really just looking at what kind of candle this is. Is it a flat top or is it a flat bottom? Granted, like the candle before, you can kind of look and see how that will, or you can kind of see how the news candle will open up based on the previous candle, or based on like what that candle is looking like. So, that's that. I always do that. I always do that just for like the same side. Like obviously we had, like I said, just USD news, and this is already going to push down far as it is, and that news could potentially push it down further, which it is. This is the news counter here. once you're able to like identify like the news, the kind of channels that happen on in the news, then you'll be able to kind of identify like what is going to happen next. Now, if you don't see this drop into this yellow box, or not the yellow box, but that really this yellow box down here, you don't see it drop into there, a good retracement area would be your normal retracement box here. So obviously already at the top of this box, so we're not worried about that. We want this to next then come down to the middle of this box, so that's 1940, and then you'll see something coming at 1907, and then it will most likely go further than that. So just a heads up, this is on gold. And let me go to the day chart again. Your in your correctional pattern, your A wave is 9 times out of 10 always going to come to your red box on the fib, or your trend base fib. So that's pretty much the bottom of this to be considered a valid correction. Because if you see a drop to come into here, it just seems kind of small. It doesn't really seem all that, all like a correction or anything like that. Because the correction is supposed to be like crazy all the time. It normally is, right? You're gonna see it come into this into this right here box here. But look for it to come into here first. Look and see how price reacts into here, and then see how it plays out and see if it will fall into here. If it doesn't and you get rejection into here, then it's the entry point. And then you can see, let's move this up. You can see something like this where it will, go up, something like that. And then you'll see it go down and take out that low point, come towards your third wave. And then that's how you'll be able to pretty much have the upper hand, like for real. I already can tell that this is going to continue to drop further into this yellow box because of this way that this candle is looking right now. It is a flat top, so I'm still looking for bearish movement all the way down. And then, like I said, it will drop down all the way to like the 1800s, all the way to the low 1800s. If anybody literally is looking at USDJPY and takes a buy or chooses to take a buy, like I would. All you're doing is you're gonna go to the hour chart, wait for your confirmation and flat bottom. Right now, this is the news candle. It's literally pushing it up more. So this is really like a no-brainer. But my opinion is that next candle will be a flat bottom, and that's an entry point. You can get about 15 to 20 pips off of that next candle. So like, let's just go from here. You're only looking for like that little bit more. Sorry, the top of this book here. Somebody wants to 35 pips. Let's just see that play out. I'm actually gonna put mine here. My low point was here, so now you can always do something like this where it's not really like a lot, but it's something that you'll be able to just like get a little bit of something and then kind of be out of market for the day. Or if you wanted to go back into the market, you could. Put my indicator on there. Bullish movement. 135. Oh, that's actually good. That's a good entry though. That's a good entry. 135. Like pretty much like that was way down here. I could even been when it broke this yellow box, to be honest. Yeah, 135 was coming out of this yellow box. It's like we're going to see how this plays out. 5 minutes to the next hour candle, so and it's crazy because sometimes whenever you see candles like this, like not like this one, like you'll see continuation, but sometimes you will see reversals. It just depends on this how strong the news is. Because I'm not gonna lie, like some news really pulls it. Like I'm talking, it make it skyrocket, make it drop all the way to the bottom of the earth. Like it's crazy. Like right now, I would say on Euro USD, or not Euro USD, I'm sorry, I mean on USDJPY, the majority of that is a buy, a very, very strong buy. So if somebody chooses to take a little scalp off of this hour chart, be my guest, but it's completely up to you. I still can't. I just 135, man. That is just a solid. That's just a solid price. And it's crazy because this yellow box, which was what I actually initially wanted this to come into to see a form of projection, but I wanted to see this to come out of this box, and I wanted to see some kind of confirmation that this was going to continue up, and I got that. Also, like, if I want, I don't know if anybody in here, or anybody on here got funded it, but definitely get funded. It's worth it. I'm creating me a Trade Locker account. It's pretty much like MC4, but it's like for like online. Um, and I think I'll probably like which I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna use my MC4 anymore because I still am, but I think Trade Locker looks pretty dope, so I'm gonna probably use that or start using that. I'm probably gonna finish making my account and all that today, and then kind of show y'all on like screen what that looks like. Cause see, with Trade Locker, I can like live show y'all like I'm into this trade, I'm up X amount. You know what I'm saying? So that way everybody like, yo, this man's for real. Like, yeah, like I'm dead serious. Especially whenever I'm trading like this with Akanashi, is really beneficial. All right, so we got that next candle. It's very, very, very bullish. Very bullish. I think opened up like hella momentum. I'm actually about to see what this looks like on MC4 on the 5 minute. Looks like we're definitely going to see some continuation going up to like hit what prices. This is 138,664. Yeah, we're probably going to see that hit on the call. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Anybody take anything? I would. Yeah. Man, somebody, man, I don't know what you going like. Man, seeing this play out. Yes, I feel like this is not going to stop. Like, of course, it's not going to like go hella fast, but you know, it's definitely going to get up there to that price point, that 64. So I wouldn't be surprised. I would not be surprised. Now, what was the other one? It was your USD. That was the on the watch. That should be dropping. So, yep. And it's going past that price point. So people could get like a good quick 10, 15 pip. Like while I'm looking at this. Because your USD is not going to stop dropping, and UJ is not going to stop pulling up. I wonder how chain. I forgot how to change it. I'm gonna run my little thing. Oh, here we go. Even though I don't like the dark. Anyway. J is in EU and UJ. Hey. I haven't even had breakfast yet. Or one way, like I'll get like, I don't want to say faked out, but like I'll get, I guess, like tricked. And I used to do this all the time. Like I'm telling you, if you see a flat bottom, like it literally is like, if it's still there, like this one right here, this is a weaker momentum-based candle right here where my cards is on. But you can see that the market still had a little push to it. So sometimes the market doesn't finish what it was going to originally do anyways. I'm modifying the indicator for people that want to use it. I'm modifying it right now. CMA, color EMA, lets you know the direction that price is going, and then gives you a color coordination too. So. This is almost at, oh, is that 138,300? So yeah, like again, gold is going to continue dropping. USD is going to continue to buy up. Your USD is going to continue to drop. Is anybody in anything other than Jay? Take that as a no. Hey. And sometimes what I'll do is like I'll see from a certain area, like I'll know that all right, price is going to continue to work up, and I will literally, let's just say like on a 5-minute scale, like I would literally say, all right, well, let me get a quick little scalp in there. So JJ is in your USD and he's in your USD JPY. I want to know if anybody else is in anything. Okay, so this is pretty far. To be honest, I really be like, I really just get that and like I'll say, all right, well, I want to make, I have 20 pips today, maybe 15. To be honest, like really 15 is enough. But if anybody is just hopping on here, whatever the case may be, just understand that your USD is not going to stop dropping. Gold is not going to stop dropping, and your USDJPY is not going to stop buying. This is what I'm waiting to play out right now. 2.4 buy. I mean, I still can get you. You is really in that thing since 135. Like that's crazy. Cause it's really like a good. It's really like a good like. It's really in this box. That's really like okay. As soon as you see in this flat bottom, that's really an entry point. I feel like that's what you did. The reason I'm taking buys because it's in like it's in a third wave right now, and that thing is normally going to absolutely throw itself up there. So day candle is a flat bottom. So I have I pretty much have all the confirmation I need to want to buy this. And then again, Euro USD. Was it Euro USD? Yeah, it was. Euro USD. I talked about, I think it was like last week. It coming into these yellow boxes in there now. You're probably going to see it's coming to at the bottom of this. And then you'll get rejection off of that. Bounce back up, and then you'll get this going down, something like that. I just be wanting to see you actually paying attention, just taking anything and all that kind of stuff. because I know like last week with this, I can't see it, but like this little tiny red box right here, I said your USD was going to sell off and come straight into the yellow box. Nobody sold it. I was like, all right. I was like, okay. And it's crazy because even one candle is more than enough, especially if you're using the day chart. Gold is going to play out and do this. Lowest is the 18, pretty much like the 1800 range. Like right now, it's in now. Like right now, I would consider this is not done dropping. This is the bare minimum. Yeah, like where it is now, this is like, I mean, I wouldn't even call that the bare minimum. This is just like, this is just nowhere near, not even, it's like really nowhere near even the bare minimum. Like, you know, like this 50% would be like the bare minimum. As soon as it gets to there, that's probably when it's gonna start to just leave. And like I said, that indicator, I'm just kind of updating it so that way everybody can use it. I just wanted to be like really, really efficient. Everything. So I have it in my favorites. Some color email. So get ready for that. Cause that it's gonna be pretty dope. I don't know why it feels like a weekend for some reason, or like a Friday. I don't know why it feels like a Friday. I feel like a Friday. Oh, what? Whenever I'm like in a trade or something, I always look at what's going on inside that candle. Like I'm looking at like all of most of the smaller time frames, because to be honest, like most of all of the smaller time frames are like in alignment with one another. If the trend is very strong, you're gonna see everything just like lining up. You know, we had, who was it? We had 8:30 news, which for me that's like 7:30. So uh, again, I just highlighted that news candle. I looked at what the news candle was doing, and I played off of that candle. And if I if I waited or something like that, I could have got me a little something off of that. Does anybody have any questions about for me? Any questions at all? We'll go back. Good. That's how we usually roll. No questions. Eat out of here. So again, just bit. Nobody has any questions. Again, look for, like, you're selling gold. If you are in, not in, but if you're looking at gold, USDJPY is going to continue to buy up, and then your USD is going to continue to make its way down.